If you've watched this entire series, you now know more about what's happening inside America's teachers' unions than most school board members do. So, what do you do with it? First, find out what your state requires. As of right now, over 20 states mandate Holocaust education. If your state is one of them, your school district is legally obligated to teach it. Find out if they are, and find out what materials they're using. Second, ask your school board directly. Does your district use materials from Rethinking Schools or the Zen Education Project? Has the local teachers union taken a position on the ADL, on BDS, on Israel? You have a right to know. Third, if you homeschool, you don't need anyone's permission to teach the Holocaust accurately. Curricula exist. Ours is one of them. Use it. Fourth, share this series. Every parent with a child in public school needs to see what we've documented. The NEA erased Jews from the Holocaust. Their members voted to boycott Holocaust education. Their conventions have become hostile territory for Jewish educators, and their funding flows to organizations teaching kindergartners that Israelis are white supremacists. This is not a conspiracy theory. Every claim in this series is sourced, cited, and documented. The full research paper is linked in the description. The NEA broke the covenant of memory. It's on us to restore it.